Ah, okay. Nothing. How to wash how to dry the clothes. You see? Ah. Hey, come, throw.
Point.
Food kind.
7 ringgit, is it?
Yeah. Very simple to use. Dryer. Thick. Okay, coin.
7 ringgit.
Change. You have 3.5, right? 4.
How much is that?
1 ringgit.
No, that is also 1 ringgit. So you can put only 1 ringgit there.
5, 10.
Oh, 1 5.
Sorry, you don't have. This is tanggapan. enough, bro. Yeah, enough. 3. 4 ringgit. You take 4 ringgit. This one is a 25 kg dryer, so we have to put 7 ringgit.
Okay,
Ah,
let's finish the game. 1. Do it again.
slow.
One ringgit.
Okay.
Finish.
All our clothes inside, right? Okay. What? Mid temperature?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
mid temperature, okay. Huh?
Start. Already start. Huh?
Start.
Green. Finish the game.
Wow, you can put some more clothes.
Yeah.
That is the end of
Good
the
luck.
video.
Get out all-
Bye.
Get out all our t-shirt and put there.